Freedom sounds like this. Freedom sounds like this.
Front porch light in the summer heat, kids riding bikes down Maple Street, neighbors talking over backyard fences, different stories, same kind of senses.
Mama's laugh through the screen door wide, granddad humming with the radio dial. Every color, every kind of name, different paths, but we're chasing the same. It's a million little moments you might miss if you don't slow down and listen to this. Freedom sounds like this. Hands in the air, hearts that don't quit, voices rising up together in the mix. Yeah, freedom sounds like this. It's a song you feel in the broken and the hope we build. Every dream getting louder than the risk. Yeah, freedom sounds like this.
Oh yeah. Early shift in a late night train, new first step in a brand new name. Prayers whispered in a dozen tongues, same sky shining on everyone.
From the city streets to the small town squares, hope